Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to make this foam board Chiara backdrop. So let's get started. So for this you will need 4 foam board of A1 size and you will put them together with cello tape. Next I'm going to tell you how you can draw arcs. So for this method you will need some thread, pen and a pencil, or you can use color pencil. So this is how you can draw arch, and the other line you can do by folding some of length of thread and then draw like this. After drawing arch you can use big scale or this type of rod to make a straight line. You can use this method also to draw arch. So while making this U-shaped backdrop I have got this center piece, so I'm going to make use of this. I will mention the link in description box below of this tutorial. So I have here hula hoop, rod, scale and foam board backdrop. So this is method number 3. Just to preview, I'm going to mark dots and gonna connect those dots using hoop. So this gonna be 5 cm wide and gap you see below is 2 cm. Here I already draw arcs to see if this method works. Now I'm going to show next one. Starting from center, measure from line above 2 cm. Start making dot at every few distance. After making so many dots, you need to connect them with hula hoop. I'm going to use hula hoop and connect few dots at a time. I'm repeating same step on other side. After drawing arch, I'm going to make a straight line, and for that I'm marking dots. As I don't have big scale, I'm using this rod to connect those dots. So you can see it looks something like this. For this backdrop I'm making so many inner layers, so keep repeating same step, making dot every short distance and keep connecting few at a time with hoop. If you find difficult method number 3, you can follow method number 1 or 2. So here I'm done with drawing. Now I'm going to cut it. Here I am going to cut only 2 centimeter gap, and don't cut all the way, leave some gap in the middle. So you can see I leave some gap on the bottom and top. Make sure you change your blade to new blade because it's really helpful and it will be quicker. So this is how it look after cutting. As you can see, this backdrop made of 4 foam board, so it will fold up from the middle where the joining line is. So use some cardboard or foam board to stick on the middle. Here I am using some foam board pieces to stick on the back. So this is final look. I hope you like my video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.